Hi everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I'm here planning for the week of September 27th through October 3rd. This week I am using a kit from Beayoutiful Planning. This one's called Rainbows. I just printed off the first page of the kit, which is the full box sheet and the bow washi sheet. Just didn't feel like printing everything else out, I guess. My plan is to use the rainbows and the bow washi along the bottom, and then I'm going to use this gold glitter washi along this row and this kind of like scalloped washi along the top. And then I pulled out this full set of washi from AliExpress, and then I also pulled out the skinny one from Dollar Tree. I think my plan is going to be, I think I'm going to use this one, and I'm going to use this one through the middle. There. So that's my plan. I'm going to stick down all these washis. I have my slice tool if I need it. I'm going to stick down all the washi, and then I'll come back so we can do the full box. And then I pulled out a bunch of extras so that I'm ready to go for actually planning the week. All right, here is where we are right now. I'm liking how it's looking. I decided to cut this row as well as the middle washi tape because I just thought it would look better. So that's what I did. This one's slightly short, but it's not really noticeable. This one I think looks really cute. You can see a little bit of the gray from the headers, but not super obvious or anything like that. So for the full boxes, I think I'm going to put this like double box scene on Saturday and Sunday. I mean, it has a sofa, so that feels like weekend vibes, right? So that's what I'm gonna do. Stick one here. And then the other one, I can get it up. So many scrippy scraps today. Okay. I'm gonna put that right here. Oops, that's like not at all even or in line or anything. There we go. That's at least a little better. To counteract that, over here, I think I'm gonna put the like cute little outfit, if I can get it. Let's go. It's like really stuck. All right, I think I'm gonna stick the cute outfit on Monday. And then I think I'm gonna do this one on Tuesday. Then the two girls, they're really cute outfits. feel like this one kind of looks like me if I had like a much more cool life. All right, so stick those down. I picked this way because this one like kind of looks into the page then. Thought that would be better. Then I'm gonna stick, I think I'm gonna do this one on Thursday. I like set up all my boxes in a very different way than I usually do. If you usually watch my videos, I start with the quote box, but today I'm going to actually do the quote box last. That's just kind of how it worked out, but it's fine. All right, there we go. That is all of it. Oh, that's really cute. I like the vibes. Okay, so for the sidebar, I think I'm going to start. Should I start with a scallopy guy? Nope, I think I'm going to start at the top with the bow washi because I like kind of don't want it to all line up. I'm going to leave a tiny gap. There's the bow washi, and then I pulled from my leftovers. These are from Nicole Kelly Creations. They are always too wide, as we just talked about. In fact, I am pulling one from the week that I'm currently in, which is the week before the week that I'm filming. I use a Nicole Kelly Creations kit, and I'm actually going to pull the extra habit tracker from there. Like that's the current kit that I'm using, so I need to put that back. So now I have like this tan one. I have so many scrippy scraps stuck to me. And then I have this kind of like peachy one. For both of these, what I end up doing is I just trim off the end part. That's not exactly even, but it's close. And then I need to do the same on the other side because for reasons I don't understand, these are always made too wide. I don't know what bar she's trying to like attach them. Like put like what sidebar they belong to. Because it's not this one. These are still slightly too wide, but whatever. There we go. Then I think I'm going to stick the rainbow washi. If I can pull it up from all of this scrippy scraps. Okay. I like could trim these so that they actually fit, but I just can't. I don't care. Stick that down. Then I pulled out this American Crafts book, and there is this like don't forget sticker here. I'm gonna stick that down like so. And then I'm going to take this gold washi and stick that down. Ooh, actually I'm going to save the gold one. I'm just going to stick this other one because it's kind of like wider. There we go. That's the sidebar. My two habit trackers, one is for stretching and one is for cleaning Pepper's teeth, just like it's been the last million weeks. All right. In terms of the weekly plans, it is another boring week. So I have these Piper Paper Company icons. Do I want the super tiny ones or the less tiny ones? I think we're going to try the super tiny ones this week. Can I find my tweezers? I can. All right, perfect. These are Beauty 360 like needle nose tweezers from CVS. So these are called Office Workspace Deco from Piper Paper Company. Oh, these are so tiny. Nope, still using them. I do have a 20% off code if you would like to use it. It's down below. Absolutely no pressure. I do get a small commission to buy more Piper Paper Company things if you use my code, plus the discount for you. But as I said, no pressure, totally up to you. I'm just gonna hold on to those because I need a couple more for the other side. Also on Monday, and also using Piper Paper Company, I'm going to use, I feel like these peach ones. I use them all the time. These are the film tape in neutral. I don't think this colorway exists anymore, but there we go. That's for my Plan With Me. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, literally nothing is scheduled. I don't know what's happening. Let's see, Thursday, I'm gonna put down work. Friday, I'm gonna put down work. Put these away before I lose them. Friday, I'm also going to post a video. I don't know at this point which one it is. By the time you see this, you will know which one it is. But some sort of video is going to go up. I have a few that I filmed and one that I need to film, so ready to go for that. And then literally, I don't know what else I'm doing the entire week. This is where I stand right now. Super basic. I have this one header strip left, which I'm going to save, and I'm going to use it to divide one of the pages. I don't know which one, but that's going to happen, and I'm going to use up all of that. So this, I guess, is the pre-planning. So stick around for just a second, and you can see the finished spread. All right, here's the finished spread. I think it turned out so cute. Definitely very fallish. I used everything that I printed as I expected. So as Caitlin says, thank you for your service. If I don't mention it, it came from that kit, which is from Beayoutiful Planning. These two are from Nicole Kelly Creations, and then this is an American Crafts. Piper Paper Company, Happy Planner, Creative Cavern Studio, Planner One Love, Piper Paper Company, American Crafts, Happy Planner, Plannerology Studio, Happy Planner, Piper Paper Company, Happy Planner. Oh, that's American Crafts. I lied. Creative Cavern Studio, Planner One Love, Creative Cavern Studio, Piper Paper Company, Happy Planner. You can see a theme. Planner One Love, Creative Cavern Studio, Plannerology Studio. Those are Piper Paper Company, Happy Planner, American Crafts, Piper Paper Company, American Crafts, Happy Planner, American Crafts, Creative Cavern Studio. This washi tape, which I also use here, is from AliExpress. Wonton in a Million with Craftsmith, Creative Cavern Studio, American Crafts, Happy Planner, and Creative Cavern Studio. So that's everything. A lot of repetition. I felt like I had an American Crafts book that was really good colors, and a Happy Planner book that was really good colors. So that's pretty much just what I used, and then some leftovers and some icons. So as always, please like and subscribe below if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. It helps me out. Let me know what kits you're using. Let me know what you're doing. Are you doing anything fun for fall? Are you starting to get into spooky season for Halloween? Also want to know about that. And then follow me on Instagram at Creative Life of Liz. You can see in progress and finished spreads. I tag all the shops and all that good stuff. And until next time, bye.